Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Together with us this afternoon are the administrators, workers, and the collaborators of our dear Intramuros administration as they celebrate today their 46th anniversary. Together with them is our dear administrator, Attorney Joanne Padilla, and her collaborators. Maligayang anibersaryo po mula po sa amin dito sa Manila Cathedral. Palakpakan po natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na serbisyo. And we also welcome our dear pilgrims of hope as we continue our Jubilee year. Mula po sa amin dito, maligayang pagdating din po sa Intramuros at sa Manila Cathedral. Dear brothers and sisters, honesty and sincerity will always play a very important role in the life of Jesus. Kahit no pong siya ay humarap kina Pilato at sa mga lumitis sa kanya na pong sinabi, hayagan akong nagpahayag sa inyo at wala ni isa man ang itinago ko sa inyo. Honesty and sincerity will always be important to Christ. But the usual response of people to Him after telling many truths, that He is Son of God, before Abraham I am, He was killed and He will be killed, and on the third day He will rise again. People would respond by negation, by crossing it out, by rejecting it, by not minding what He would say. And we've heard today how people tried to throw stones at Him. But we heard how Jesus hid Himself. God proclaimed to Abraham his destiny to be the father of many nations, and Abraham believed and placed his faith on God. Jesus taught the truth, but people tried to throw stones at Him. When someone wishes to speak well of you, when someone tries to correct you, when someone wishes to share something with you, three questions. Will you accept? Will you believe? Or will you throw stones? Maniniwala ka ba? Tatanggapin mo ba? O babatuhin mo lang din ng bato? Throwing stones might mean we are not interested to those words. We don't believe, we won't accept, it is not part of our life. At marahil dinig na dinig po natin yan ngayon. May magsasabi ng totoo at ito tayo babato ng bato. Madaming nagsasabi para tulungan tayong umayos ang buhay natin. Pero sige lang, babatuhin lang natin ito ng bato. Madaming nagsasabi sa madaming posibilidad ng paglago, ng pag-asenso, ng pag-unlad natin. But we are not that receptive, but all the more defensive of our walls. Once more, throwing stones. Imbis na tanggapin, papatol tayo at babato ng bato. Kapag may nagsabi ng totoo, isa puso at huwag bumato ng bato. What comes out of people may help us, inform us. Their words, their encouragement, their presence, their corrections are not there to harm us. They will be present to us so that this can be of help and this may bless us in the next. Let us not always be defensive to every truth, but with God's grace, receptive to the goodness it wishes us to embrace.